Two roosters lived in the same barnyard and hated each other. They always competed for the hen's attention and the best food. One day, they decided to settle their quarrel with a fierce fight. They pecked and clawed at each other until one of them was defeated and ran away to hide. The victorious rooster was so proud of himself that he flew to the roof of the hen house and crowed loudly to announce his triumph. But his noise attracted an eagle who was flying nearby. The eagle swooped down and snatched the rooster in his talons, carrying him away to his nest. The other roosters saw what happened and came out of his hiding place. He took over the barnyard as the new leader. Cooperation is better than competition. The two roosters spent their time and energy fighting each other instead of cooperating. If they had worked together, they might have fended off external threats like the eagle. In life, collaboration often yields better results than constant competition. Pride comes before a fall. The victorious rooster's pride led him to boast about his triumph, attracting the attention of the eagle. This teaches us to be humble and not let success go to our heads. Arrogance and overconfidence can lead to unforeseen consequences. Unity is strength. The defeated roosters return to take over as the new leader emphasizes the importance of unity. When individuals within a group work together and support each other, they are better equipped to face external challenges and emerge victorious. Think before you act. The roosters' decision to settle their dispute with a fight had serious consequences. It's a reminder to think carefully before engaging in conflicts or making decisions, as they may have far-reaching implications. Adaptability is crucial. The victorious rooster's defeat and the subsequent rise of the other rooster highlight the importance of adaptability. In life, situations can change rapidly, and being able to adapt to new circumstances is a valuable skill. Leadership can be earned. The rooster that initially ran away and hid ended up becoming the new leader by seizing the opportunity when the situation changed. This suggests that leadership is not always about being the strongest, but also about being strategic and seizing opportunities.